Hi, this is Sive Morten with the daily update on EuroFX. I post my exclusive market overviews with the key political and economical events, charts and important levels on the ForexPeaceArmy.com forums weekly. This short video is a response to rapidly changing situation on the currency markets and should help you to stay on top of the game and be profitable. I suggest you to visit ForexPeaceArmy.com forum and read my analysis for the week before watching this daily video.
Greetings everybody, guys. Let's take a look at the Bitcoin right now. So actually you can see that Bitcoin supports our idea of the head and shoulders pattern on the daily chart. So situation develops pretty nice. So market behaves really predictable and accurate. From the technical point of view, that is very good for validity of the setup that we have. So to continue the topic of these head and shoulders, actually two entry points have been worked. Has worked nice. So if you remember, the first opportunity was right here on the bottom of the right arm. This is kind of the ABC reaction has been formed on the intraday charts. Another opportunity was on this minor ABC retracement of the engulfing pattern. Both scenarios we have discussed in our videos. These two opportunities have been formed for taking the long position. Now we're coming to the final stage of this hand shoulders pattern. Is the ABCD action right to the confidence resistance on the daily. As you can see, this is approximately 45, 47 area. It's a combination of the two fib levels, daily or body area. It's also be agreement with this kind of the ABCD pattern. That's what we'll be watching for on the daily. On the daily as well, you can see market has formed two bullish grabbers that suggest the taking out of these tops, and that gives the good expectation of the possible upward continuation here. So if you have taken the position here or here, you could move your stops to the break-even and just watch what will happen. So at the same time, this is 47 target stands a bit extended on the daily. And as you know, the bottom of the right arm takes the shape of the another hand shoulders pattern on the follow time frame chart. We also have talked about it in our videos. But by the way, the reasons why we have suggested taking position here, because as soon as the engulfing pattern has been formed on the daily, we said watch for retracement back in the body and take position on some tip support. That was the 618 retracement. Actually, you could see here it's Gartler's ABCD pattern and Gartler's triple to buy. And now we mostly will follow first the targets of the minor pattern because they are closer, and we will come first to the OP, then the XOP of these hand shoulders. And as soon as both of them will be completed, we turn to the daily target, daily OP of the hand shoulders. So if we'll take a look at the hourly chart, you could see that here we have this our Gartler's triple to buy, and we have discussed this opportunity for taking the long position was 618 support also was in this area, and now we're watching for ABC bottom D pattern based on the minor head and right arm levels. So this is AB equals CD target, suggest action to 40-40. That will be the first destination point on the Bitcoin. Next will be the XOP that we will discuss in our following videos. So currently, as I said, if you have long position, move your stops to the break-even because market already has jumped up from the support areas. And also, despite that, we are dealing with the bullish patterns, and these patterns are rather clear. I mean, the shapes very well recognizable. Keep an eye on possible failure. The failure of this head and shoulders inability to continue move high and drop below the right shoulder here could automatically mean the failure of the larger daily pattern. It means that the reversal hasn't happened and market starts dropping. It could mean that we will see the drop below the 30 even area. If everything will be good, we could get the daily ABC retracement right to 47 areas, 45, 47 area approximately. This will be a retracement of the long-term trend, and after that we will discuss what to do next.